Alright, I'm not sure what day it is, but we're out and about because last time I came here we found some Salvinia minima, I think. And we also found some hornwort, and if y'all don't know, hornwort is invasive here in Texas, I think. But the Salvinia minima, I'm not too sure either. I didn't know it grew here, but we're gonna go check it out. It's gonna be a little difficult to get anything because it's so deep and it's such a... It's weird and there isn't a lot of place for footing. Alright, so I kind of wanted to get a little bit more into why I'm here. The mask is because I'm pretty sure I saw some people up the area, and we were going a little bit deeper today, but I just didn't want to bump into them because they were old and I'm pretty sure they weren't wearing masks. Anyway, that's a whole thing. But we're gonna test some of the water here because I wanted to test it not in Lewisville Lake. So if you don't know, the water, our tap water here is really hard, which is good for some shrimp, but it sucks if you have like higher, more expensive fish. So I kind of wanted to see how that compared to just the natural occurring like stream, our tap water, and I guess Lewisville Lake, which is disgusting. Not only that, but I'm pretty sure I saw some Salvinia minima and hornwort, which is an invasive species here, so we should be able to get some no problem. But I want to see if we can push our luck and maybe find some duckweed or some frog bit, because we don't get a lot of that down here. So you're coming with me because I'm a little freaked out because I'm alone and there's a lot of bobcats, rattlesnakes, scorpions, and coyotes, but I've never seen any. But y'all are coming with. Alright, we're taking bets. $5 we see a snake, $10 we see a venomous snake, $20 we see a scorpion, and $50 we see some form of feline cat, some big cat. I'll donate it to, I don't know, I'll probably just end up donating and I'll show you guys where that is. So fingers crossed we see something cool. Look down there, that's like a perfect spot for there to be something cool, and there's not. But we're gonna start flipping over some rocks and stuff because I'm tired of just seeing nothing. Take that back, we are not going to be flipping over stuff because I don't want to mess anything up, like this is like untouched. So I guess we're not flipping anything because I don't want to disturb anything. I thought I'd reiterate or just say what I meant because I don't think I explained it well. I'm donating each amount for each thing that we see. So if we see 2 snakes, that's twice the donation amount that I was gonna do, but just wanted to make that clear before we saw more than one thing. I just heard something really big move. We are about almost an hour in. Y'all hear that? I'll let y'all know if it's anything. I found a little stream, and if we don't find anything here, I'm gonna be really disappointed in Texas. Because y'all hype it up too much. Y'all say, oh, there's this and this and this and this, and then there's nothing. You're telling me that is not like Snake City Central. Like there's no snakes in there. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see, but that's part of the stream over there, and there's some green over there. So I don't want to get my hopes up just in case it's just an algae film. But if we're really, really lucky, it might be duckweed. So whoo! Something I did not think about was turtles. There's a lot of turtles here. These are most likely red ear sliders. I don't know if they're native, but I know that we do sell them at the store, or and pet stores around here do as well. So it's really hard to know if they are wild or if they were released by someone. But very cool. We saw 3. They're very common. We'll do $2 for each one, so that is $6 that will be donated to some organization. I haven't decided yet. So I just took the temp and I'm balancing on a branch right now, but it's very cold. It got in my shoe, but it clocked in at 56 degrees. It is currently a nice 70, which is weird, but it was a lot cooler in the morning and it just now started getting warmer. That makes sense. Look, I don't know if y'all could see it, but it's fairy moss. It's a Zola. That's very cool. Didn't realize it occurred here naturally. So no frog bit, but definitely just duckweed, and there's the Azolla, also known as fairy moss or mosquito fern. Very cool. There's other really cool things in here. There's some sea shrimp, and I think I saw some scuds, but I got Colin to work, so we will come back. Yes, we will, because this is very cool. I'm gonna mark it on my little map so we can come back. The big bird. It just looks like a crow though. I got really excited. I thought it was a hawk. I finally got back from work and I'm able to look at what I got. I don't know if you can see something moving around over here. Oh, right here. Y'all see that? That's a scud. And all of the scuds that I get from here are gonna go through quarantine, and then they'll go in my little scud tanks. So for my scud tanks, it's just it's just a storage bin, and I put all of the plant cuttings that I get from my other tanks in here, and they'll go through that, they'll eat that up, and it'll go where the other ones are. Alright, so I just took a little break, but we'll go back out there whenever I have another day off. But for right now, the counter stays at $6 because we didn't really see much. But hopefully we'll go soon. Thanks.